Zhengzhou Hongjia Green Machinery Company Limited was founded in the late 1980s. We are a professional enterprise integrating research, development, production, and the sales of world green processing machinery. We have strong technical force, complete production and testing equipment to promise our machine with inquisitive quality, stable performance, and convenient operation. Our main products include elevator series, green cleaning series, Distoner series, rice cooler series, paddy rice separate series, rice milling whiter series, rice grinder series, rice polisher series, and the complete sets of rice mill production line with a daily output capacity from 15 to 510 series. Over the years, our company products are well selling in both China and abroad. We have exported to Africa, Southeast Asia, Central Asia, South America, and other world countries and regions. Our factory always puts quality in the first place. All several different ancient technology passed the inspection of the National Quality Department, made the ISO 9001 Quality System Certificate and issue certificates. Hongjia people always give priority to service customer. All products are produced to suitable for customer needs and real situation. Hongjia people always keep up to date